Welcome to chapter 15 of my Mazda RX323 resto videos. In this video I stop playing with my Star Wars stuff and start plumbing up all the oil lines. We've got all the new fittings for that from Speed Pro, and I also fab up a bracket and mount up my coils using some speed nuts. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, so I've had some more parts arrive today. Let's see what we've got. Some invoice. Ooh la la! Why are there two books? So fittings. This is a right angled joint. Straight fitting. Oh, that's for my oil pressure sender. And a straight fitting. So that's for the oil pressure sender. It screws into there. It's a new braided line. Another package as well. Oil pressure gauge and sender unit. So theoretically this should screw into there, and it does. So I'll have a good oil pressure reading now. So I'll show you where that goes. So this is the oil pressure switch, and this is the new fitting I've just put on here, which comes out of the bottom of the oil filter. It runs down here underneath the alternator, down onto the cooler, and I've also, that's just loosely fitted, so that's the one that feeds back into the engine. It also goes down onto the cooler down there. So there's clearance around the engine mounts, and the other one is not hooked up down the bottom just yet, as you can see, but that'll screw in nicely. Goes up to my oil pressure sender, and then I'll just run the gauge when I wire off that, and then the gauge into the car, and then the oil circuit will be done. That looks good, very good. I'm happy with how that turned out. Just a few fittings, about 130 bucks worth of fittings, and reuse the old lines I've got. Very good. So there's my oil pressure sender, which is all hooked up now. So I use this new fitting under here, which gave me just an extra bit of length on this hose, so that it actually reaches the oil cooler. So that pipe there goes down underneath the alternator, and from under the alternator it bolts up nicely down there on the oil cooler. And I've done the other fitting as well, which I had to put a little 90-degree angle, as you can see, otherwise it was going to run into the bottom engine mount. So just run a little 90 degrees, turns up, misses the engine mount, and then up into the front of the engine. So all cooler lines are done. Okay, so I'm just making up a bracket to mount all the coils. So I found this bracket here, which was actually the old exhaust bracket, and I've mounted up the coils, the bolt through here, put a little spacer in there and just bolted in here, and I'm going to mount it up against here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. So what I've done is I've drilled a couple of holes just in here, and I've got these things here. They're nutserts. So these are M6 nutsert bolts. So I've drilled, that outside diameter is 9mm. So I've drilled pilot hole, 6mm, and then out to 9mm, and these go in here like that. And then you got your nutsert gun, and these go in here like that, and then you just squeeze. So as you can see, they've gone in a treat, and they look really good. They look when they're in. When I drilled them, I cleaned up the holes and then just painted around the inside of the hole so there's no bare metal left. But as you can see, they look really good. This is just a quick look at what the nutserts look like from the other side. This is just inside the wheel arch. So there's the two of them down there. Once they've all been squashed up and secured to the panel. That's obviously the spring and the shocker there. So there we go. Using the nutserts, I've mounted up the coil bracket there on the firewall. It's got plenty of clearance around everything. So the coils, then because they've got the primary and secondary, so just feed down to the coils, which are just down there, to the spark plug, sorry. And it's job done. Those nutserts, a much better idea. Much easier, much neater. Just a little bit hard squashing them up. Well, that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to go back and check out all the other videos if this is the first time you're watching it. Don't forget to like the videos, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next chapter. Bye for now.